end of 2023. What does that mean to you in the world of Phaco equipment? It means this Alcon Infiniti is no longer going to be available to you if there are no packs. But as long as there's packs available, we can keep you in service. We can make sure that the machine's running properly. We can do all the preventive maintenance that you need to keep you going strong. Now, if you're looking to replace the Alcon Infiniti, we have an Alcon Centurion and pretty much any of the other Phaco units that you want. But the most popular unit today is the Alcon Centurion. It has a lot of features that really make surgery a little bit easier to do. If you have reason to worry about cost or you're looking for something that's a little less expensive, contact us. We have the knowledge over all the different Phaco units, what's available, and find something that'll actually work for you to make your cases that much more fun and enjoyable. So let's look forward to 2024. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to subscribe below. We can get you information on our new Phaco Physics and Fluidics course that's coming out. It's designed for surgeons, surgical staff, and biomedical engineers so that they can get very comfortable with how this equipment works and you can do your own troubleshooting. Thank you again, and see you next year.